Let's talk about Tefal Ingenio Non-Stick Induction Expertise Frying Pan, 28 cm, black. Tefal's thermo-spot technology indicates when your pan has reached optimum cooking temperature. Tefal's Titanium Pro non-stick coating is metal-utensil safe except for knives and whisks and is designed to last up to twice as long as typical non-stick coatings. Durable and easy to clean enamelled exterior. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 260 degrees. Tefal Ingenio handle not included. I love these pans, they work brilliantly. The thermo-spot shows you when the temperature is ready for frying. The non-stick coating is actually non-stick, which I haven't always found to be the case with other brands, and is also robust enough that I no longer freak out if I see someone dipping a metal spoon in my pan to serve things up. The removable handles mean I can stack this neatly with the others and save a lot of space. The Ingenio range is a brilliant idea for small kitchens with limited storage space. Huge fan on the Ingenio range. We leave this pan on our induction hob sans the handle. It's neat enough to leave on the hob, and handy if you ever need to quickly heat wraps, etc. Ingenio are the best. Clean easy, store easy.